Welcome
Let it
to
go.
this basic, extended,
The things that
uplifting,
have happened in the
inspiring
past,
stretch.
the things that
Angie,
aren't happening right
let's breathe.
now,
Deep breath in. Inhale.
let it go. If you want to be free,
And exhale.
stop locking yourself into the prison of your past.
Let this fill your soul. Inhale.
Go of some things in my life.
Exhale.
Focus on better things.
One more time.
I wanna be a better me.
Breathe into the deepest part of the lungs. Just be here in the present moment. Fill your soul. Reach over to the left. Over to the right. Time to release and renew. Breathe and move. Lateral stretching. Open. Release. Renew. Breathe. Take your feet wide. Roll that hip in and out. Your timing. Roll in and out. Open up and through the hip. Your timing. Other side, your timing. Roll it in and out.
Moving on to create my best life. The past won't unsettle me. I've got good times ahead of me.
Your timing. Go as quick or as slow as you want. One more.
Things that don't feel right.
Grab. Balance.
I just want what's best for me.
No tension in the head, neck, or shoulders.
No more sadness in me.
Just sit. If you want, roll that ankle.
I won't cheat on my future with my past.
Reverse.
Release the heavy weight off my back.
Release. Shake it out.
Just
take your knee. Take it as high as you can. Work on balance. Circle if you can. If you can't, don't worry. Lift that knee up. Shoulders set back. Feet down. Deep breath in. Let it go. Let it go. Inhale. Roll down. Roll it up. Let it go. Deep breath in. Inhale. And as you roll down, let it go. Rolling up, one vertebra at a time. Let the breathing be symbolic of what you're letting go. Inhale. Exhale, let it go, melt it away. Arms back.
If I want to grow, I have to
let it go, clear your mind. Live in the present moment. You don't live in the past or the future. Here, the present moment. Let it go. Open as you circle. Open. Feel the renewed energy in your body. Interlace your fingers. Beautiful chest expansion. The next 10 minutes, this is your time for just renewal, reflection and stretching your physical body just to let it go. Let's go ahead and sit.
Thank you for this day.
Take
Thank
it
you
wide.
for every moment that led to this day.
Fill your heart.
Thank you for the hard times. They made me appreciate the good times.
Look at your right foot.
Thank
Inhale.
you for the lessons.
Exhale
They were
as you
needed for my
slide.
development. Thank you for my eyes that get to witness the miracles of today and tomorrow. Thank you for all of my blessings. Thank you for everything I take for granted.
When I'm thinking about hard times,
Come on up, center.
and all those
Inhale.
times we
Melt it forward.
made it through.
This song is about thankfulness. Sit
I'm
and thank your body
thinking
for all it
about
does.
my life, and deep down I'm so grateful. I learned to give thanks in advance for what's already yours, for what's already
Take it up. Inhale. Look at your left.
yours. No, don't
Exhale.
take a day for granted. Look for daily miracles, all those daily miracles.
Feel your spirit with these
Running
words.
through the pages in my mind, all the different stages of my life. I'm so grateful. I say thank you. Even when I'm going through hard times, I know the future's bright.
Take it up.
'Cause I'm grateful.
Right foot
I say
over the
thank
left knee.
Running
You're gonna
through the
lift
pages
your left
in
hip
my
up.
mind, all the different stages
Right arm over.
of my life. I'm so grateful. I say thank you. Even when I'm going through hard times, I know the future's bright. 'Cause I'm grateful.
And come down.
I say thank you.
Left hand hugs your right knee. Right hand behind. Look over your right shoulder.
It's the little things, the air that I breathe, the clothes on my back, the places I've been, the things that I see. Others aren't so blessed, could have been born with so much less. All of the gifts that I possess, I let my gratitude grow. I learned to
Take that left
thanks
foot
in
over the right knee.
advance for what's
You're gonna
already
right hand behind.
yours,
Lift your right
for
hip.
what's
Left
already
hand.
yours. No, don't take a day for granted. Look for daily miracles, all those daily miracles. Running through the pages in my mind, all the different stages of my life.
Come
I'm
down.
so grateful.
Right hand hugs the left
I say
knee.
thank you.
Left hand behind. Look over the left shoulder.
Even when I'm going through hard times, I know the future's bright. 'Cause I'm grateful. I say thank you. Running through the pages in my mind, all the different stages of my life. I'm so grateful. I say thank you.
Release. Come to your side.
Even when I'm going through hard
Right leg
times,
nice and long.
I know
Right
the
arm long.
future's
Eye
bright.
gaze to the ceiling.
'Cause I'm grateful. I say thank you. Thank you. Even when I'm going, even when I'm going.
And right hand down. Left hand over.
Even when I'm going.
Our last working song. You're gonna come, hands under your shoulders. Knees under your hips. Let's release and through our spine. Cat-cow stretch, your timing.
You have to believe in
The
yourself.
song is about believing in
You have to
you.
believe in your ability. You're capable of anything. You can achieve any dream. Please don't limit yourself. Don't live your life limited. It's not all sadness and misery. Life's a challenge, but you will succeed. Take
Curl your toes under.
control
Downward
of
facing
how
dog.
you feel.
Just release and through the calves, upper body. Shake your head yes and no.
Work on yourself daily. Your story's far from done. The best is yet to come. To achieve, you must believe. You can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe,
Beautiful.
you
Downward
will
facing
achieve.
dog.
You can live out all your dreams.
Walk your hands
It's
back
about time you knew the
to your
truth.
toes.
Got the
Grab your
power all
elbows
in
and
you.
hang. Soft bend in the knee if you need to. All right, guys, walk your legs out wide as you want. Right hand in the center and your left fingertips to the ceiling.
You don't have to hide anything. You can be your true self. Don't need to follow society. Never forget that you're blessed.
And left hand down,
Give
right
thanks
hand up.
for everything, even the hard times will turn out to be blessings. No matter how you feel, you can learn.
Lean over to the
from
right.
your pain. It's there to make you great.
Go where you need to go for your body.
Story's far from done.
Lean over to the left.
The best is yet to come. To achieve, you must believe. You can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe,
Come
you
up,
will
toe heel in,
achieve.
to
You
hip
can
feet
live
hip width
out
apart,
all
soft
your
bend in your knees,
dreams. It's
hands
about
on your
time
thighs,
you
roll it
know
up,
the truth. You got the power all in you.
circle your hips,
To achieve, you must believe. You can live out
up,
all
back,
your dreams.
circle,
Persevere, you'll
soft
make
bend
it
in your
through.
knee,
What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will achieve. You can live
reverse,
out all your
reverse the
dreams.
circle, opening
It's
up your
about
hips,
time you knew the truth. You got the power all in you.
feet together, circle the knees. It releases your knees and ankles, hands on the tops of your kneecaps. Reverse your knee circles. Go as slow as you need to. Arms forward and back to finish this off. Forward and back. Forward and back. Rounding through your back. Opening up and through your chest. Deep breath in. Exhale. Angie Fitness TV, look at one of my extended stretches below. You'll love them. I always uplift, inspire, and nurture your soul. Until next time, guys. Bye.